Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Caliber Strength Training app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, go to your App Store. If you are Android user, you can go to your Play Store and here on search bar search for Caliber Strength Training. So here you can see that Caliber Strength Training app. In order to install it, simply tap on Get button. Once you tap on it, it will start downloading. Before that, you need to double click to install. So here, tap on Install button again and type in your password. Tap on Sign In button. Now it starts downloading. So here you can see that you have successfully installed Caliber Strength Training. In order to open it, simply tap on Open button. So this is how you can download it or install Caliber Strength Training app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.